Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready. Sign into the Chromebook profile you want to modify and make sure the device is updated with internet access. Once done, open Chrome. This is where Themes live. From the browser, go to the Chrome Web Store's Themes section or open Settings Personalization to change wallpaper or system theme. Start with the Web Store when you want a full Chrome UI theme. Use settings for wallpaper and light versus dark system mode. This first step gets you into the right place. Now pick a theme. Search the Chrome Web Store by color, style, or creator. Click the theme thumbnail, then hit Add to Chrome. The browser applies it immediately so you can preview the change. If you prefer system-wide appearance, open Settings Personalization, choose Wallpaper, and pick a color or image. This affects shelf and lock screen too. Make sure to test light versus dark mode. You'll understand the difference. Web Store themes alter Chrome UI. Settings adjust system visuals. Finish by opening several tabs and system menus to confirm the theme and wallpaper behave as expected. If you change your mind, revert through Chrome, / extensions or settings personalization and choose Reset to Default or remove the theme. If something goes wrong, colors glitch or UI misaligns, update Chrome OS, clear browser cache, then remove and reinstall the theme. That usually fixes conflicts. If problems persist, sign out and back in or restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.